We'll guide you through how to screen record on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So with this, you'll be able to go and capture what's happening on your iPhone screen. We'll briefly show you how you can quickly edit it and then how you can go and share it as well. So make sure this is full guide so you know what you need to do. So perhaps you want to do this for a class, for personal use or for work, and you want to then go and have it saved in your photos. That's exactly what you can do with the help of this guide. So first of all, what I like to do is go and drag down in the top right like so. It's worth going and putting on a focus mode because otherwise if notifications come through, they can go and disrupt you. So what you can do is tap and hold here and you can then go and select do not disturb like so, and that will silence all notifications. Once you finish, you can then turn this off again just so your notifications start coming through. Now to go and start recording, you want to come onto the control center as we did there. So drag down on the battery. Now we need to go and add in the screen recording function. So to go and do that, you need to go to the top left of this screen. There you're going to go and find the plus, which you then need to go and tap on. Now you'll go and see that these apps start sort of shaking, or these options start shaking and they're highlighted. Now what you can do is go down and you can go and press add a control. And then what we need to do is go and find screen recording. We can just go and press search at the top and you can go and type in recording. And then in display and brightness, you should find the option for screen recording. So you can go and tap that there, just like this, and the option is then added. Now we can go and remove the option for removing them here just by tapping anywhere, and there it is. Now what you want to do is go and tap and hold the option as we need to configure it. First of all, you want to make sure it's set to photos. That's going to be then saved there. If you go and select another one of these, it can go and sort of try and stream it there and you can lose the recording. And at the bottom, you can choose whether you want to go and use your microphone. Tap it to be on, it'll be highlighted, and it'll say on, or turn it off. I want it to be on in this case. And then it says everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. Enable do not disturb to prevent unexpected notifications. We've already done that. And the great thing about screen recording is that I found it will often go and remove sensitive information. For example, with passwords, it actually goes and hides them and things like that. So it can be good, but I still recommend editing it and previewing it at the end before sharing it. So we'll guide you through that. So when you're ready, you can press start recording here, or you can just go and press the button here. And then you'll go and get a countdown at the top, as you can see. And now you're going to be recording. So you're going to go and know that because you've got that red dot and it'll go and still be blinking. So go and record what you want to, as we are right now. And then when you're finished, what you need to do is go and press the bar at the top, and you can go over to the right and you can go and press the stop button. It'll go in circle and you can now see it's been saved to our photos. And so we can locate that by opening up our photos like so. And as you can see, here it then is. So you can go and preview the recording here. You can go and make some simple edits by clicking the three lines in the bottom right. And then you can go and adjust the start and end point by tapping, holding and dragging like so. But if you want to go and remove parts inside of here, we need to go and get a video editing app. For that, I recommend an app called CapCut. So you can open up the App Store, press search in the bottom right and press search at the bottom. And then what we'll do is go and type in CapCut like so. Then we can go and download it. Now go and wait. Press edit in the bottom left and you can press new project and we'll just go and allow access. You can then select your recording and press add in the bottom right. And then here it is. So you can go and start editing it here. Of course, you can go and add text, audio, and other things. But to go and trim parts out of the middle, select it, choose the point where you want to start removing and press splits. Scroll where you want to stop removing, press splits. And then you can go and select the clip, press delete, and that will then go and be removed. That's it. And then when you're finished with this, you can go and save it back to your camera roll by pressing export in the top right. So that's it. You've now gone and successfully done that. And of course, if you want to go and share it, you can come and find it in your photos. Let's open it up. And we can find the edited version. You can see it's a little bit shorter, and you can tap the share button in the bottom left and then share it with who you want to. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then make sure you go and check out the GuideRealm channel. We've got loads more on there you can go and watch, and I'm sure they'll go and help solve the problem. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides like this as well. Have an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.